The speech organs. The speech organs. Different organs that we need. I show them. Hard palate, soft palate, pharyngeal cavity, larynx, esophagus, trachea, nasal cavity, nostril, lip, tongue, teeth, oral cavity, jaw, lung, diaphragm. Functions. Functions. All the organs shown contribute to the production of speech. All the sound English are made using air on its way on from the lungs. The lungs put it and push out air, held by the diaphragm. The air goes out via the trachea, where the first obstruction is made is the larynx. When it has to pass through inside the larynx, the air passes by the vocal folds, which, if they vibrate with the sound voice, afterwards the air goes through the pharynx. And escapes by either the oral or the nasal cavity. Example symbols: IPA. IPA. First example: cup, look, cup, look. Example: put, cold, put, cool. Example: 5, I. Example: cat, black, cat, black. Example: met, bed, met, bed. Example: bat, lap, bat, lap, bat, lap. Example: sing, finger, sing, finger, sing, finger. Fluency. Fluency in English allows to join every word in a sentence in English. It is about making a word phrase sound and behave as a single word. Examples: fluency. It's on the floor. 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 It's a big car. It's a big car. It's a big car. Is it the big car? Is it the big car? Is it the big car? Where is Isabel? 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 She is there. She is there. She is there. She's there. She's there. She is there. It's in America. 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 These were examples of the use of different organs to produce sound and how they help us to speak fluently. Thank you. Bye.